chicken in milk cream. Ingredients we need: 1 chicken breast, 1 big onion, olive oil, salt, pepper, 1 cup of milk cream. Preparation: put a pan over high heat and add a little olive oil. The wheat add the breast to the pan, put into cubes. We leave it to cook then saute. We add salt to taste and pepper. After the chicken is well cooked in brown, remove it from the pan. Then add the diced onion to the pan. We add a little more oil. Stir well and let saute. Stir well and let saute until golden onion. After this onion, we add the chicken to the pan again. We add the cream and mix well. Final score. Thank you.